Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. In today's guide, I'll walk you through how to use Zelle with send and receive money instantly. No fees, no hassle. Let's dive right in. Step 1, make sure you're eligible. Before you begin, note that BBVA USA merged with PNC Bank. If you're a former BBVA customer in the US, your account is now managed through PNC. Zelle is available through the PNC mobile app or directly via the Zelle app. Step 2, download the Zelle app if needed. If your BBVA account doesn't support Zelle directly, download the Zelle app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and tap Get Started. Register using your US phone number or email. Step 3, link your BBVA PNC account to Zelle. During setup, Zelle will ask you to link your bank account. Choose PNC Bank if migrated, or manually add your BBVA account if still active. Enter your account number and routing number. Verify your account through the micro deposit process if prompted. Step 4, start sending or receiving money. To send money, enter the recipient's email or phone number linked to their Zelle account. Choose the amount, review, and tap Send. To receive money, simply share your linked email or phone number with the sender. Tips: make sure the recipient is already enrolled with Zelle. Double-check the recipient details. Zelle transfers are instant and can't be canceled once sent. And that's it. You're now ready to use Zelle with your BBVA account in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more clear, quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.